if you just bought a screen protector for your current phone, I have some bad news for you, because there is a very real chance that you may have wasted your money. What Samsung is preparing to launch with the Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just another yearly smartphone refresh with slightly better cameras and a faster processor. This is shaping up to be one of the most important display revolutions we have seen in years, and it could completely change the way we think about protecting and using our phones. We are talking about a device that does not just improve glass strength or brightness levels, but actually changes how glass behaves, how privacy works, and how comfortable we feel using our phones in public spaces. Samsung has now, through a mix of leaks, software code discoveries, and internal documentation slip-ups, essentially confirmed that many of these rumored features are real. These are not just random internet theories anymore. They are based on real evidence hidden inside One UI updates and supply chain reports. And if everything we are hearing turns out to be accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could make even Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series feel outdated the moment it launches. We are potentially looking at display technology that analysts believed was still 5 years away from mass production, arriving within weeks. This is not about chasing benchmark numbers. This is about solving two of the biggest frustrations people have with modern smartphones: durability and privacy. And the most exciting part is that we will not have to wait long to see it in action. Over the past few months, the tech world has been buzzing with rumors about the Galaxy S26 series, but this time the focus is not on camera megapixels or battery capacity. Instead, the biggest headline is the glass itself. Industry insiders and developers digging through Samsung's One UI 8.5 beta code found repeated references to something called a privacy display mode. At first, many people assumed this was just another software filter similar to dark mode or eye comfort shield. But as more details emerged, it became clear that this was something much more advanced. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a built-in privacy display layer directly integrated into the screen hardware. We have seen privacy screen protectors before, of course. They are usually cheap plastic films that make your screen darker, grainier, and harder to read, just so the stranger next to you on a bus cannot see your messages. They technically work, but they completely ruin the visual experience. Samsung looked at that compromise and decided it was unacceptable. Instead of forcing users to stick ugly accessories on their phones, they decided to solve the problem at the hardware level. This new technology reportedly uses a specialized optical layer within the display stack that can limit viewing angles through software control. In simple terms, it means your phone can decide who gets to see your screen and who does not. Imagine sitting in a crowded cafe, checking your bank account, responding to a confidential work email, or scrolling through private messages. With a single tap in the Quick Settings panel, Privacy Mode activates. To you, looking directly at the screen, everything remains sharp, bright, and colorful. The AMOLED panel still delivers deep blacks, vivid colors, and high contrast. But to anyone sitting beside you or standing behind you, the screen appears dark, blurred, or almost completely black. It is like having a digital curtain that you can open and close whenever you want. And according to the leaks, this feature is not just manual. Users will be able to set it to turn on automatically for specific apps, such as banking apps, messaging platforms, or password managers. The moment you open one of those apps, the display narrows its viewing angle without you having to think about it. This kind of intelligent, practical innovation is something Samsung used to be famous for. In recent years, many of their experimental features felt more like gimmicks than necessities. Air gestures, floating previews, and motion controls sounded impressive in presentations, but rarely became part of daily life. The privacy display, on the other hand, addresses a real problem that millions of people face every day. We live in a world where we constantly use our phones in public spaces, surrounded by strangers. Shoulder surfing is real, and data breaches do not always happen online. Sometimes they happen when someone simply glances at your screen. By integrating privacy directly into the display, Samsung is offering a solution that feels both modern and overdue. Unlike physical privacy protectors, this built-in solution does not permanently damage your viewing experience. When you are at home watching movies, gaming, or showing photos to friends, you can turn privacy mode off and enjoy full 180-degree viewing angles. The display behaves like a normal premium Samsung AMOLED panel, with no darkening, no distortion, and no loss of quality. You get privacy when you need it and perfection when you do not. Once people get used to this level of control, it will be very hard to go back to a normal phone that offers no such protection. It is very likely that Samsung will keep this feature exclusive to the Ultra model, at least for the first generation. That makes sense from a business perspective. The Ultra line is where Samsung experiments with cutting-edge technology and justifies higher prices. Giving the S26 Ultra a feature that no other phone has is a powerful incentive for buyers to upgrade. But privacy is only half of the story. The other major pillar of this display revolution is durability, and this is where Gorilla Armor technology comes in. We have already seen early versions of Gorilla Armor on previous Samsung flagships, but the S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a significantly improved version. This new glass is designed to be extremely resistant to micro scratches, which are the tiny marks that slowly ruin your screen over time. These scratches usually come from keys, coins, sand particles, or even the metal rivets on your jeans. They are almost impossible to avoid, and they are the main reason people buy screen protectors. Samsung's new glass is reportedly engineered to resist these everyday threats far better than traditional Gorilla Glass. But the real breakthrough is the advanced anti-reflective coating. Anyone who has tried to use a phone outdoors on a sunny day knows how frustrating reflections can be. You often end up staring at your own face instead of your content. To compensate, you increase brightness to maximum, which drains battery and still does not fully solve the problem. The new Gorilla Armor coating drastically reduces reflections, making the display readable even in harsh sunlight. This improves usability, reduces eye strain, and saves battery life, because the phone does not need to push extreme brightness levels as often. This shift in focus from raw brightness numbers to real-world visibility is a sign of maturity in Samsung's design philosophy. For years, smartphone companies competed over who could achieve the highest peak brightness. We went from 1,000 nits to 2,000, then to 3,000 and beyond. At some point, these numbers stopped meaning much to regular users. What matters more is whether you can comfortably read your screen at noon on a sunny day. Samsung now seems to understand that quality of view is more important than marketing statistics. Interestingly, this is an approach Apple is usually known for. Apple often focuses on subtle improvements that enhance daily experience rather than flashy specs. With the S26 Ultra, Samsung appears to be beating Apple at its own game by delivering hardware-level privacy and visibility features that iPhones currently lack. This could shift public perception and give Samsung a major advantage in premium markets. Of course, all of this advanced display technology requires serious processing power. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, which is rumored to be both extremely powerful and highly efficient. Efficiency is especially important here because running dynamic privacy layers, adaptive brightness, and AI-based features can consume extra energy. A more efficient chip ensures that these features do not come at the cost of poor battery life. The phone will likely ship with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM as standard, making it more than capable of handling heavy multitasking and on-device AI processing. Samsung's Galaxy AI platform is expected to expand further in 2026, possibly introducing advanced image editing, video generation, and real-time translation tools. These features require large amounts of memory and fast processing, and the S26 Ultra seems designed to handle them comfortably. There's also speculation that the privacy display could be connected to the phone's neural processing unit. Some leaks suggest that the front camera might detect when someone else is looking at your screen and automatically activate privacy mode. While this has not been officially confirmed, it fits well with Samsung's broader AI strategy. If implemented properly, it would make privacy protection even more seamless and intelligent. In terms of design, the S26 Ultra is expected to retain the sharp, boxy look that fans of the Ultra series love. This design gives the phone a professional, almost industrial feel that distinguishes it from more rounded, consumer-oriented flagships. The titanium frame is likely to return, possibly in a stronger grade to match the new glass. This combination of advanced glass and reinforced metal could make the S26 Ultra one of the most durable premium smartphones ever released. One of the most exciting aspects of this launch is how close it is. Samsung is reportedly planning its Unpacked event for late February, with February 25th being the most commonly mentioned date. This is slightly later than their usual January launches, suggesting that extra time was needed to perfect the new display technology. Availability is expected to follow quickly, with devices hitting stores in early March. Pricing remains the biggest unknown. Developing custom privacy displays and advanced glass is expensive. Research, manufacturing, and quality control all add to the cost. While many fans hope for a starting price around $1,299, there is a real possibility of a price increase or adjusted storage tiers. Still, when you consider that you may no longer need to buy expensive screen protectors and cases, the long-term value might balance out. This launch is extremely important for Samsung. The smartphone industry has become predictable. Every new phone has a good camera, a fast processor, and decent battery life. Innovation has slowed, and consumers are becoming less excited about yearly upgrades. By focusing on privacy and outdoor usability, Samsung is targeting real problems that people actually care about. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a quality-of-life device, not just a spec monster. If Samsung delivers on its promises, and the privacy display works smoothly without harming battery life or image quality, this phone could define what a flagship should be in 2026. It would turn your smartphone into a true personal vault, protecting both your data and your peace of mind. With only weeks left before the official reveal, anticipation is building fast, and more leaks are almost guaranteed to appear. Whether this technology becomes a new industry standard or remains a premium luxury will depend on how well Samsung executes it. But one thing is clear: the Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just another phone. It represents a serious attempt to rethink how we interact with our most personal device.